it takes a certain amount of energy just to do it, but luckily the energy builds with the exchanges you have with the people on stage. You know, I don't know that I could do it all by myself, but when I have a great argument with my mom and we're both firing arrows at each other, it builds the tension, and then you find yourself in that place.
We're kind of like dogs. Like you kind of forget when you show up to work, you're like, great, you start doing the play, and then you're like, oh my god. You forget every time.
Yeah.
We also eat whatever you put in front of us. A lot of parallels.
That lettuce sandwich is pretty good, though. Oddly enough, it actually gets
It comes home with us. In my apartment.
Everywhere.
Right on my toes right now.
I could be drenched in sand for generations.
Yes.
It's cracked.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
And it's surprisingly more challenging to walk in than I ever thought it would be.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
we
very
are.
easy to play drunk in sand.
In the rehearsal room, it's a flat actual floor, and the scene where Nina runs on, the very first time you see her, and I catch her.
We don't need to talk about that.
Last week, the sand doesn't. You don't spin as easily on sand, and we lost it. I fell, crashed into the chair, and real moment on stage.
Is anyone here actually in the front row tonight? Were you in the front row tonight? Did you get
any?
the sand?
No.
Because we do have it sprayed every night because it can get very dusty.
Sometimes it gets really dusty. And it's like clouds coming up.
Yeah, so it's a bit damp tonight.
And the passion and all that goes with, they're crying 1 second and the next they're laughing. And to bring into our world, to justify all, the ups and downs is really difficult. And it's really tragic. And hilarious.
I studied theater in college, and it was part of, I think, most curriculums to read and practice the Seagull and get scenes from it and put it together on its feet. So I went back to my old Carol Rockamora translation that I went back over, and I read Emily's version, and I was really struck by the fact that it really isn't that different. The types of people, the types of relationship, the character types, and the setting, it really does translate pretty well. But that's what I thought.
I worked on the Michael Frayn translation